My name is Mphoentle Bolokoe. I'm 19 years old and I love music, and I'll like to be the next gemstone because I want to be the first Botswana girl who goes abroad. I want to be the next Beyonce. I want to be everything. Actually, I want to make people proud in Botswana. I'm going to sing a gospel song by a group called the Acapella. The name of the song is God Will Make a Way. It goes like this. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for you. He will be your guide, hold you closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day, he will make a way. He will make a way. Lord, I lift your name. Lord, I praise your name. Lord, I worship you. Lord, Almighty God. Lord, I lift your name. Lord, I praise your name. Lord, I worship you. Lord, Almighty God. Thank you.